Giraffe Tools has two hose carts, a 4-wheel one and a 2-wheel one. The 4-wheel cart is about 35 pounds and holds 250 feet of 5/8-inch hose. The 2-wheel version is stainless steel, around 34 pounds, and holds 150 feet of 5/8-inch or 200 feet of 1/2-inch hose. You've already heard of Pop-Up Garden. Next product is a simple way to garden on a balcony or terrace. It's light and fits in small spaces, but still gives you plenty of room to plant. You just unpack it, stack the pieces, and start growing. Got a small garden? The Ryobi 3-in-1 trimmer is great because it trims, mows, and edges with one tool. The auto feed line saves fuss, and the edging wheel makes neat borders. With a 5-amp-hour battery, you'll get 30 to 45 minutes of work. Nestera coops are built from thick 9mm panels made with about 70% recycled plastic, so they feel strong and still eco-friendly. The weight depends on the type. The small ground coop is 30 kilograms, the large raised one is 58 kilograms, and the wagon is about 78 kilograms. You can pick what fits your flock. The house sits on the ground and can hold 2 to 15 hens, depending on size. At first, it looks like a fancy guest house, but it's actually a luxury greenhouse. For about $3,000, you get 8 square meters of cedar and panels that trap more warmth. A heat-sensing fan starts automatically, and 2 windows help airflow. This spreader makes yard jobs feel easier. You can use it for grass seed, fertilizer, salt, or animal feed, and adjust how much comes out and where it goes. If you're trying to use less water without stressing your plants, H2O Wise has some easy options. Their water well rings wrap around trees and shrubs, watering right at the roots. They come in 2 sizes, are made from recycled material, and snap on in 2 pieces. Need hand washing right where there's no tap? This Lavex station carries 16 gallons of clean water and a 16-gallon waste tank in a gray plastic body. The foot pump runs the faucet so hands stay off it. It includes soap and paper towels. PetSafe bar controller is pretty small and weighs around 15 ounces. It runs on a 9-volt battery that usually lasts 2 to 3 months. It can hear barking from up to 50 feet away, and it costs about $69. When a dog barks, the built-in mic picks it up, and the device sends a quick 2-second ultrasonic sound. People usually can't hear it, but dogs don't like it, so it helps stop the barking. This saw, the Poulan 3700, is a beefy chainsaw. You mix gas and oil, and it cuts at odd angles. Made in 1980 to 1983 for big logs, it's still around because it's really tough. It's not light, but many people like that dependable feel.